Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Majestic Hillary, and today I'm gonna try to be doing like a galaxy contour sort of thing. So I got this idea when I did my pink neon idea and I was contouring with pink. And while experimenting for that, I considered contouring with black in some places. So that's kind of how I came up with this idea. So let's just jump into it, First, I already put on a little bit of foundation just before because this is going to be like mostly concealer. So I'm going to use a black eyeshadow and just very lightly start putting this where I would, contour my face normally. So next I'm going to take this white liquid eyeliner that I have and just start drawing in dots and stars, to look like stars. So next I'm gonna try to draw some planets in the empty space, like up here and here and over here. So let's just get into it. And I'm gonna try to create this by like starting with the lighter color and then trying to draw in craters with the darker color, and I'll tell you how that goes. So I painted the top of my foundation bottle with the lighter color I wanted, and I'm gonna try to stamp it where I want it, just so I don't have to worry about freehanding a circle. So let's see how this goes. Oh, that's good, that's good. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna fill it in now with the rest of the color. And now while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna try to make another little one with the bottom of this perfume bottle. No, actually I'm gonna use the lid. So I'm taking this lighter purple and just drawing it on top. This does not have to be neat, that's okay. As you can see. So this one. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so while we're waiting for the planets to dry, I was thinking about what I wanted to do for the highlighter, since, you know, this is all a contour, so what was I really gonna do for highlighter? And then I was gifted glitter eyeliners, and I was like, I could use those as highlighter, just because, you know, it's like sparkly and it might look like stars. So I'm gonna start with that on my cheeks, and if I don't like it, I'll take it off and figure something else out. Okay, so what I did is, using this applicator that comes with the eyeliner, it's great for like precision, but like the bristles just kind of push the glitters around and don't give it like an even coating. So what I did is, a lot of people use this for like glitter nail polishes, is you put it on a blending sponge and then you like pat it in, so then it's all even and it's all like fill, and it actually works super well. So that's what I'll be doing for the rest. So I had to do a third layer on this pink one because it still wasn't opaque. But now I'm going to move on and start working on this one, which I kind of want to have like a ring like Saturn, but I do want to put little craters on it. So what I'm trying to do now is just find any brush that I have that I can paint the bottom one, that might work, to make little, that's small enough to fit the craters inside. So I found this brush, which has a little super tiny one, which I think might work. So I'm gonna paint this. And this is a darker color than what the planet is. So now I'm just gonna stamp. So it did work, it is just very hard to see. So that's not really great. And I'm just gonna do a couple more. Okay, so now I'm gonna start working on this pink one. And I found this liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna coat it with this darker pink and just make one stamp up towards the top. And now I'm just gonna fill the rest in with that color. And now I'm just taking that little brush from before and making a couple smaller ones. So now I found this makeup brush, and I'm gonna coat that and then stamp that. So moving on to this one, I'm gonna take the yellow and try to make like a ring around it. So over here, I think I'm gonna try to make a little UFO like you see here on my shirt. So let's just get started. So for the actual eye look of this, I was thinking going with blues because two of the things I drew do have blue in them. So first I have the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful blue right here, and I'm just going to put that in the crease first. With a mix of these two colors, the other shades of blue that are not shimmery. And next I have this Too Faced liquid eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put that all right on the corner of the eyelid. So now I'm just going to take those blue colors and put them on the bottom lash line. So next is, well, I'll do mascara next. If you watched my last video, I have this blue mascara, and obviously, how can I not use it with these blue eyes? So let's go. So finally is lips, and I have this like mauve color that has some shimmer in it. So I'm going to put that on. And I'm just gonna finally take a little bit of this glitter eyeliner, put it on my finger, and then just tap that on towards the middle of the bottom lip. So I think this is the final look today. Let me know what you think. I had such a fun time making this today, so I would love to know what you think. Press that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. You can watch my other videos, there'll be a card up here. I have an Instagram where I'll be posting pictures of this look, so please go and follow me on there. There'll be a link in the description below. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.